Actually, I'm facing great challenge nowadays because these dogs inside our house always bark at me. So, gusto ko silang mapaamo. So, my idea is to give them my leftover, tapos lalawayan ko. Sabi kasi pag nilawayan mo, babait sila. So I will give it to these dogs outside. So hopefully it will work. Hello mga kapitbahay. Hello mga kakaruba. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Just in case you haven't done yet, please subscribe, share, and click that bell button below so you will be notified for my next video. Let us spread love, joy, happiness, and good vibes. All this for God's glory. Thank you very much. Actually, I'm facing great challenge nowadays because these dogs inside our house always bark at me. So, gusto ko silang mapaamo. So, my idea is to give them my leftover, tapos lalawayan ko. Sabi kasi pag nilawayan mo, babait sila. So I will give it to these dogs outside. So hopefully it will work. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Oh my God, it's hard to open that door. Come, doggy, 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 doggy. See, when they notice that I'm getting near, they always bark. So let's check it out. Here they are. Come, come, come. Ito yung medyo masungit pa sa akin, pero ito mabait na. Come, come. Come. Come, doggy, doggy. Come, come, come. Come here, here. Come. Come, eat, eat, eat. See? He's barking. Come, eat, eat. Hello. Come, come, come. She's very hesitant to come. Okay. So this dog is eating the food, but why he doesn't like? Why you don't like the food? Anyway, I hope. And he's going near the food, and I hope. Yeah. Okay. Still hesitant to eat. Go, go, go! Eat the food. Still barking, huh? Oh, but the other guy almost finished the food. He has finished it. Is it delicious? Huh? Is it good? Huh? Is it good? Huh? Is it good? Is it good? Come, come, come. Hello. Is it good? I gave them food.
Hello.
What is that in your hand? Come, come, come. Come. Where are you going? Huh? Come, come, come. Oh, we're friends now. Hello. Say hi. Say hi. We're friends now. Okay, that's one way how to make them behave. So here she comes, guys. Hello. 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 You want more food? Up, go, go. No, no, no. You're not allowed to go inside. Okay, that's it, guys. I still have leftover here. I'm going to give this to this other puppy because she always barks at me. Come, come, puppy, come, puppy, come, puppy, here, here. Come,
Are you
puppy,
making a vlog?
come, yeah. Come, here, here. Go,
They don't like you.
see, she likes it. He took the food. He ate it. But he ran far away from me. She didn't say thank you. She just ate it and she ran away. Unlike the other dog, after eating the food that I have served, she came to me and wagged. She seems like saying thank you. I have more food. One more dog upstairs. I need to give food. So see, you can hear her barking already because she knows I'm coming, and I hope she'll eat this one. Riley, why you're always barking? Come, eat. Come eat. Come, eat. Tastes it good? Does it taste good? She's still barking. She doesn't like to eat the food that I gave her. I hope she'll eat later. And she realized that I'm the one who served the food. Correct?
When I'm home alone with you,
Yeah. Sorry.
then they will turn off the lights.
Then-
And where did the others go? So where did the others go?
I don't know.
Maybe the others go in the...
Did you eat your lunch?
Yeah.
Finish?
No.
I hope that they will be tamed by that when I serve them food.
And this is my pocket.
I just hope that they will not bark at me anymore every time they see me. It's kind of annoying if they are barking at you, especially in the middle of the night. They bark so loud, and I was worried. I'm worried of my neighbors, of their noise. Maybe my neighbors are sleeping, and when they hear that bark, they will be awakened. And will annoy them. Howdy, boss. Hello, guys. May pakain si Man. Meron silang pakain. Breakfast. Dito sa aming meeting room.
Sorry ass DJ.